Hey guys, we're back with another Caudabe case unboxing. So today we've got a Lucid Clear case in gold metallic, and this is for the space black iPhone 11 Pro. So the Lucid Clear, I've done an unboxing on my channel for the 12 Pro if you want to check that out. And it's in the clear crystal color and the graphite color, so I thought I'd get something different here with the gold metallic for the 11 Pro. This is the same as the 12 Pro case, so it's ultra slim, manufactured from the same polymer used in bulletproof glass. So it'll have glass-like clarity, and it beautifully showcases your phone through the back of this, because it's clear through the back there, so you'll be able to see it. And it's got a oleophobic coating on the back, which will help stop fingerprints and smudge. So the impact resistance of the Lucid Clear is halfway on the Caudabe scale there. It's also quite thin on their scale, so I would say it's a little bit thicker than the sheath from Caudabe, but not too much. It's still quite thin. So we've got the clear plastic we've got to get rid of here. See if we can get that out. It's quite tricky to get out. There we go. Got it. Get rid of that. And you can see there you've got that nice clear section, and it slowly builds up in these gold lines here to a solid section down the bottom. And you've got a nice little Caudabe symbol down the bottom there. Got the little cutouts like all the other Lucid Clear cases, so you can flex that out to get that over the edge of the phone. So you want to put the phone in the top and then flick the bottom up around the phone. The cutouts are there like that, so you're using the buttons of the phone. It's got a nice little raised lip there for the camera, and it's got a nice little gold detail there. I don't know if I got that in the video before. So it's got a nice little gold detail just around the raised camera section of the case there. So let's get this on the 11 Pro. Pop that in. And that's very nice in the hand. It's a lot grippier than what I thought it would be, being gloss. And you can see that you can nicely see through the phone there. You can see a little Apple symbol there. And it's got that protection for the camera lenses. You've got nice access to all the buttons, silent switch, very accessible, lock button and power button, very accessible, and you've got the speakers and lightning port cut out down the bottom there. So I think it's a very nice case to have. It'll easily slip in and out of your pocket, being made of that crystal bulletproof glass-like material. So yeah, I think that's a great little case for the iPhone 11 Pro. So yeah, I hope this helped you in deciding on what Caudabe case to get. If you like the Lucid Clears, that gold color is very nice. I did forget to mention that it does have a little bit of a raised lip there, and it also supports wireless charging. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Cheers.